A very good morning to all of you. 7C, welcome to the biology class. Hope you all are fine, children. Yes?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, did you receive my message yesterday telling about the syllabus? I've already given you the syllabus, but I've reduced a part of it. So now you know that you have to study, all of you. That is why I was waiting. We have to start. Just open your book to page number 122 so that it becomes clear to you. Yes, page number 122, that is transport in simple plants and animals, then transport of substances in plants, transport of water and minerals, transpiration, phloem, transportation in human beings, blood, role of blood, blood vessels, arteries, vein, capillaries, heart. Yes, so heart you have till page number 127. Yes or no? Class
Yes,
7C?
ma'am.
Yes, so
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so the last line says that it is possible only because the heart is four-chambered with its left side completely separated from its right side. So till here, is it clear to everyone? I want yes from everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of
Yes,
you
ma'am.
put your
Yes,
speakers
ma'am.
on, say
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. Okay. So this is clear to you. So that means heartbeat and whatever else we have done about excretion and all, that for now, it's not like you will not get it in exams. But for now, for unit test, it has been reduced so that you study properly. Because you know that I mean, it's a combination of physics, chemistry, and biology. Fine. So for you to learn all the 3 lessons for a day and that too so long lessons, it becomes a problem. Fine. So is it good or bad for you?
I'm good.
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 Actually good? Okay. Now, any problem in the lesson that you have not understood, anything that you have not understood? Have you revised the lesson? Have you gone through it? Okay. So today, and now 19 are there in the call, including me. Nobody is going to leave the call, let me tell you. Else your name will be recorded. So we are going to have a test, oral test. And just understand one thing before proceeding with the test, just understand that this test is not going to give you any marks or something. Even if you have not prepared for the test, children, even if you have not gone through the chapter, when I ask questions and children tell the answer, somebody tells the answer, and if you listen to it carefully, then you don't even know, and automatically your chapter is prepared. Yes, because you listen the answer and you retain it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be asking questions one by one and you have to tell the answer. Okay, fine. So my first question is to Fiza Hussain.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the water conducting tissue in the plant is dash. What is it? You have to tell one word answer only. You don't have to tell the whole answer. Yes. What is it? Water conducting tissues in plants. What is its name? Remember? Okay. Mojit Singh.
Ma'am,
Fiza, you can.
Zanam.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Who gave the answer? Mojit?
Ma'am, Adib.
Why? Beta, wait for your turn, okay? Adib, it's correct. The correct answer is xylem. So the water conducting tissues in the plant is
Xylem.
xylem. So now everybody knows
Ma'am.
this. Yes?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Shraddha Shukla. Shraddha Shukla.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what structures are present on the root that increase the surface area of the root for absorption of water? What are those structures called which are present on the roots? And if you know the answer, the rest of you just wait for your turn. Later, when if the child is not able to give the answer, then I ask, then you can give. But don't interrupt in between. Don't disturb in between. Yes, Shraddha.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Anybody? Tell your name.
Mummy, I can tell.
That is what I'm saying. Me doesn't, I don't understand
Mom,
me.
Taura. Taura.
Yes, Taura. Yes.
Mom, root hair.
Root hair is the correct answer. Good. Good, Taura. Root hair, they are present on the root and they increase the surface area of the root. And they help in the absorption of water. Any problem? Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, 7C, the next question is to Amna Khan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Amna, the conduction of food from the leaf to the rest of the part of the plant is called dash. The conduction of the food from the leaf to the rest of the parts of the plant is called dash. Anyone else? Anyone? Anyone wants to tell the answer?
Ma'am, transcolation.
Translocation. Who is it?
Ma'am, Ishita.
Yes, Ishita, good. The correct answer is translocation. So transportation is the word that we use for both, but especially when we are talking about the transfer of the food, the transport of the food, then we use the word translocation. Correct? Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the next question, Aditri. Aditri, please say yes when I call out your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aditri, the process of removal of the extra water from the plant in the form of vapors is called? What is it called? The removal of the extra water from the plant body in the form of vapors. Anyone? 7C?
Ma'am, transpiration.
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 Correct. Transpiration. And if you are not able to answer these small questions, children, let me tell you, it will be a problem. That is why I keep telling you every day at the end of each and every class that revise, 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 revise. How many times I tell you the same thing? Because revision is very, very important. You see, you listen, you understand, but if you don't revise, you will forget things. So transpiration is the correct answer. Fine. Now, next is Shivanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivanshi, what is the full form of WBC?
White blood cells.
White blood corpuscles. Good. Okay. Joshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Joshita, what is the function of RBC? RBC.
Ma'am, they transport oxygen and carbon dioxide in the form of carbonates.
Yes, they bind and they form oxyhemoglobin. Yes, hemoglobin, they bind with it and they transfer it. Good, correct. Good girl. Now, Grisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Grisha, what helps in clotting of the blood by forming a plug on the skin?
Ma'am, blood pellets.
Repeat it. It's correct. The pronunciation was not correct. Repeat it. Repeat your answer, beta. Grisha.
Ma'am, blood pellets.
Blood platelets. All of you say platelets.
Platelets. Ma'am, platelets.
Yes. Blood
Platelets.
platelets. Correct. Yes. Good. Good girl.
Platelets.
Next. Divyanshi Srivastav.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the only artery that carries impure blood? When I was teaching, I told you, I gave a lot of emphasis on this, that this is very important, which is the only artery that carries impure blood or carbon dioxide rich blood. Just wait, let her answer. Divyanshi, do you know the answer? Okay, who wants to give the answer? Tell
Ma'am,
your
can I
name.
answer?
Me.
Aranya.
Ma'am,
Huh?
can I?
Amna.
I can hear Amna's name. Yes, Amna, speak.
Ma'am, pulmonary artery.
Yes, the correct answer is pulmonary artery. Correct. Now, Shraddha Shukla, this time you have to tell the answer. Shraddha, quickly put your
Yes, ma'am.
speaker on. Yes, Shraddha, for an adult at rest, how many times in a minute does the heartbeat take place?
Ma'am, repeat.
How many times? What is the average value for an adult at rest?
Ma'am, 70 to 100.
Yes, 70 to 100. Okay, fine. Then, good. Then I think Adib is there in the call. Yes, Adib.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adib, into how many chambers our heart is divided? Into how many chambers our heart is divided?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
answer? Ma'am, can I answer?
ma'am.
Ma'am, can I? My pass.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
4.
answer?
Amna.
I want your name.
Ma'am, can I Amna
Ma'am,
answer?
Zoina. Ma'am, Grisha. Ma'am, Aranya.
Aramya,
Ma'am, 4 chambers.
4 chambers. Very good. Fine. Now, Fiza.
Yes,
Fiza.
ma'am.
Yes, the upper 2 chambers are called.
Ma'am, I don't.
The upper 2 chambers are called. You don't know?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, that means you required a lot of reading of the lesson and you did not attend the class?
Yes, ma'am. Uh,
You attended the class or not?
yes.
Okay. Yes, who wants to give the answer?
Ma'am, what is for
Ma'am,
the
Parth.
question?
Ma'am, Aranya.
Ma'am, Parth.
Ma'am,
Parth. Yes, Parth. Parth, you can give the answer.
Ma'am, Tahura.
Ma'am, right atrium, left atrium.
Yes, atrium, or if you talk about both together, we call them atria. Okay, correct. Yes. Next. um, Divyanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Uh, yes, the lower 2 chambers are called.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question? Your voice
Yes.
was breaking.
Okay. I asked, what are the lower 2 chambers called of the heart? Lower 2 chambers of the heart are called what?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am,
Amna.
Aranya.
Ma'am, Amna.
Ma'am, Aranya.
Ma'am, Zoina. Ma'am, Ishita.
Parth.
Ishita.
Ma'am, right ventricle and left ventricle.
Yes, they both are called ventricles, and as you have left and right, so accordingly left and right ventricles. Correct, very good, good. So those who are giving the answer, just remember, if you are actually giving the answer from your brain, not by looking at the book, then of course you just feel and understand that you are prepared. Yes, because this is the way you'll be getting the questions. That is why I gave it on WhatsApp also. If you remember, I told you, initially I told you that depend on the book. Because when it is objective, then of course there's a lot of choice questions. Yes, and that you get only you understand those questions, you get the answers of those questions by reading. Yes, and those who have attended the class very attentively, they already know the answers. So what I mean to tell you is that those who are listening the answers are not able to tell. For you also this class is very important, as you are able to listen the answer, now you retain them. Yes, you listen what the question is being asked by the teacher from other children, but don't think that this is not asked by me, so I don't have to do anything with it. It's not like that. Whatever is being asked, that is for you also, because the question paper remains the same for all the children. Yes or no, class 7C?
Yes, ma'am.
The question paper is same for all. You'll be getting the same questions. So it's better that you listen and you understand and get the answers. Fine. Aranya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What have thick walls? Out of the blood vessels which have thick walls. Do you know the answer?
Ma'am, Amna,
Okay, Amna.
ma'am, arteries.
Correct. Arteries have thick wall. And can you tell Amna why they have thick wall? Can anyone tell?
Ma'am,
Parth?
because they branch it
Ma'am,
to
can I,
small,
Parth?
Yes, Parth.
Ma'am, to prevent the
smaller
fat flowing.
vessels.
Parth, speak.
So, ma'am, they can easily transport the minerals and nutritions.
No, no, no. Blood. It's the transfer of the blood.
Ma'am, can Mr. pick one answer?
Can I? Joiner.
Who is it? Nusra?
Ma'am, because the blood flow from the heart is rapid and at a high pressure.
Pressure. So to retain that, yes. To bear that pressure, the arteries are thick walled. Fine. Correct. Now, okay. In human beings, let me tell who will tell the answer. Grisha,
Yes, ma'am.
in human beings, the system that comprises of the blood and its circulation and all, what is it called? Which system? I have told the answer in the question itself. Blood, it's related to the blood and its circulation.
Ma'am, can I answer? Ma'am, Divyanshi.
Yes, Divyanshi?
Ma'am, can I answer? Amna.
Can I answer
Wait. Divyanshi wants to answer. Yes, Divyanshi, quickly.
Blood system.
No.
Ma'am, Aranya.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Amna.
Ma'am, circulatory system.
Circulatory
system.
system. Correct answer is circulatory system. Fine. Next. Okay. Which type of cells present in blood help in destroying the foreign objects coming from outside, or which help in fighting with the disease causing agents? Anyone?
Ma'am, WBC.
Yes. The answer is WBC. I think
WBC.
Aditya. Yes, WBC is the correct answer. Fine. Okay. Aditri. Aditri Prasad. Shraddha Shukla. Shraddha Shukla.
Yes, ma'am.
In which blood vessels does the deoxygenated or carbon dioxide blood flows? Okay, I'm giving you the option. I want one answer from you because you've not given any one answer. Is it arteries, capillaries, or veins?
Ma'am,
Now you have options. Huh?
please repeat the question.
Arteries, veins, or capillaries? Or in which does the deoxygenated or the carbon dioxide rich blood flows?
Ma'am, vein.
Okay, correct answer. Fine. Now, from the organs which are present above the heart and from the organs which are present below the heart, the position of the heart, the blood is brought by the superior and the inferior vena cava, and it reaches to which part or which chamber of the heart? Who can tell?
Ma'am, right.
Ma'am, right atrium.
Yes?
Ma'am, right
Ma'am, right
atrium.
atrium.
Correct. Good. Who was it? I think
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Divyanshi.
Parth.
Parth and Divyanshi. Okay, very good. So, children, now this revision was, the idea behind this revision was to make you understand what sort of questions you can get in the test. Yes, now you will be having options in the test also. So you have to correct, you have to just select only one of it. You have to choose only one out of it. Yes, but for that, again, very minutely, you have to go through the text that is given in the chapter. I have already told you. I have also given you a pulse of it, that how the questions will be framed, which type. It's not that you'll be getting the same questions. It can be in different, you can say in different, the framing of the sentences can be different, not as I have told you. But then if you know the correct answer, if you know the correct thing, you'll be able to understand and do it correctly, do the test correctly. So what I mean to say is that this is how you will be preparing yourself. See, if you know the correct answer and the other two options are wrong, so you don't have to do anything with the wrong ones, isn't it? When you know the correct answer. If 4, 8, 10 options are given and you know the correct one, then obviously you will choose the correct one out of it. Yes? So this is how you will prepare for the test. You will read the text very carefully. In case you are not able to understand the meaning of any line or any term that is given, you can send the message. But let me clearly tell you, this should be done in well advance. Don't sit for the last day that today you have the test and in the morning, just 5 minutes before you ask me, ma'am, please tell what is this, what is this. This should not be the case as it happened in the half yearlies. Because you understand at that time we are also busy, and moreover you should also be free from all the tensions and all. You should be sitting with your papers and pencils and everything ready. Yes? Understood, class 7C?
Yes, ma'am.
sir.
Yes. And moreover, if any diagram is given and if it is asked that identify what diagram is this, will you be able to identify the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Or a part, if
Yes,
suppose
ma'am.
a diagram is given and any one part is asked that out of this, what is this? So you'll be able to identify it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Yes. So this
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
yes, children. So this is how we have come to the end of the class. In case of any problem, just send me the messages on WhatsApp. Keep reading, keep learning, keep understanding things well. Okay. So till we meet again, take care of yourselves, children. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.